My YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you guys all the characters, all the locked characters and how to unlock them, all the arenas, all the locked arenas and how to unlock them in TNA Impact Wrestling for the PSP. Let's go. And I'm also going to show you the locked match type that you can unlock. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is the gauntlet match which can be unlocked by completing story mode. So you can unlock the gauntlet match by completing story mode. Okay guys, we're now gonna start. So this is the characters that you can use in the beginning of the game. Okay, we start. AJ Styles, Samoa Joe, Kurt Angle, Sting, Booker T, Fernandez, Homicide, Rhino, Shark Boy, Robert Roode, People Who Pump, Scott Steiner, Alex Shelley, NXT player, James Storm, Chris Sabin, Devon Dudley, aka Brother Devon, Mike Tenay, Don West. Okay, now we go into the characters that you can unlock through story mode. Okay, Bruiser Bensia. Wait, I think he's already a character you have. I think you can unlock him in the story mode. Dark Shadow, you can beat him in the story mode. Suplex Siliza, unlock him in the story mode. Benny, beat him in the story mode. Lenny, beat him in the story mode. Bob Barino, beat him in the story mode. Chai Lethal, beat him in the story mode. Demonic DJ, beat him in the story mode. Sergeant Harden, beat him in the story mode. Furious Fry, beat him in the story mode. CP, I'm not gonna say that name, you can unlock him in the story mode. I don't know how to say that. Thunder Lang, you can unlock him in the story mode. Giant Guppy, beat him in the story mode. Brother Ray, aka Barbara Ray Dudley, beat him in the story mode. Hannah Layla, can beat him in the story mode. Shogun Yanai, beat him in the story mode. Devil Child, beat him in the story mode. Checho Aguila, beat him in the story mode. Tom Cole, beat him in the story mode. Fatal Floyd, beat him in the story mode. Kenny O, beat him in the story mode. Senor Diego, beat him in the story mode. Matt Cody, beat him in the story mode. Eric Young. So you have to win a couple matches in the tag team division of matches. Sanjay Dutt. You have to beat him in the story mode. Chris Sabin X, beat him in the story mode. AJ Styles X, beat him in the story mode. Afro Thunder, beat him in the story mode. Abbas, beat him in the story mode. PT Williams, you can unlock PT Williams by beating him in the story mode. Kevin Nash, beat him in the story mode. Suicide, you must complete story mode. Suicide X, you must complete the story mode. Jeff Jarrett, I think you must beat him in the story mode. Creed, so you must watch the credits or beat the game or watch the credits. Mick Foley, you can unlock Mick Foley by completing the 25-man gauntlet match that I was talking about earlier. You can unlock the gauntlet match by finishing story mode, win the match, and you will unlock Mick Foley. And this random. Now I'm going to choose a random character and fight a random guy. So it's Sanjay Dutt versus Creed. So here's all the arenas that is playable from the start. Orlando, Houston, Canada. Now here's the things that you can unlock. You can unlock Mexico by playing in the Mexico arena in story mode. You can unlock the Armory by playing through the Armory arena in story mode. Japan, you can unlock the Japan arena by playing in the Japan arena in story mode. You can unlock the Freedom Center by getting a couple, like 400,000 something thousand points, style points in story mode, and then you can unlock the Freedom Center, I think. And in the factory, you must win a match in the factory arena in story mode. England, you can unlock the England arena by winning a match in the England arena in story mode. And then Las Vegas, win a match in the Las Vegas arena in story mode. And San Diego, win a match in the San Diego Arena in story mode to unlock this arena. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Bye.